Another prompt, and here AI calculator for nationwide GDP for calculating various transactions using various digital transactions done in particular areas automatically. Uh, and I need to implement on India stack. Okay, and I need to implement on India stack. Government stack. Government stack. Let's see. So it is actually doing everything. Every research it is going to do. Like how I am going to implement this AI GDP calculator in India, and how I can means create step by step, as well as how I can implement, so that I am going to take these things forward to governments, and if I am give them startups, and with proper advertisement and proper public support, these things need to be moving ahead actually. So those things we need to take care of actually. So let's see, part of India government stack, where from where government stack is starting actually, and how these things are running. We need to uh, check, and we need to automate the governments ourselves. If we want whatever we want to do these things. We don't need to sit idle and sleep like cats, and like researching on LLMs for deep sick cat attack bullshits. Okay, we don't need those bullshits. We are going to do some progressive positive things. Okay, and okay, it is you can see that it is loading the configs and scaling factors, whatever, blah blah blah. If you can get into code, you can learn, you can know everything, means it's very easy. Okay, so actually I am planning to do this implementation with that language. It's little bit more innovative. Okay, let's see. It will be actually, it will then it is going to resolve as global AGI. So I can say that I have created global AGI if I am placing this uh, things into Manus AI. Okay, okay, okay. Privacy safeguards. I don't need to go into finance for everything. It is calculating how the standard way of calculating GDP. Okay, and it is going to be inclusive. Okay. Uh, so again, the thing I wanted to do, can we integrate with language based on world model? Can we integrate? Okay, how to integrate this with language based on world model? Integrate with GDP calculator. AI power GDP calculator for two letter based to implement a power GDP with. Okay, currently I am going to implement it into the world model, not in India model. So with a power GDP language based world model. Okay, and implement globally. Implement globally. First deep think, then same query will be going with deep think plus search. Right now, let's do deep think. So it is going for global events. Exactly, it is going very good. Very good approach, I can say. Very well. You can't expect these things even any stupid human researcher. Every human researcher are simply like they are directionless. They don't know what to do, how to do. They are doing nonsense things, many of them. Why these things are not there? If these things are this easy, why these things are not there? And why there are no investment in these things? People are stupidly investing in wars, killing people. That's nonsense, completely nonsense. Nobody going to like war, you can see. People would like to be as cyborgs, but they never would like to be killed in for some nonsense, stupid reasons. People are getting killed for money. This is very much bad. Okay, no more talks about war. It's the stupidity I don't want to talk about. This makes me angry. This makes me really uncomfortable. If we can do great things, good things, why should not we? Why we should be left behind? Well, so subscribing very well it is saying. Anyway, very nice. I can say thumbs up. Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Every time actually I forget to tell you. I forget actually at the end of the video. Anyway, deploy regional data in hubs in financial centers, implement decentralized unification, country specific GDP. There are so many ways actually, but I think it will be little bit better ways. So actually, we have already some kind of framework. We don't need to go back. We don't need to go back to decentralization. We can decentralize, but some different ways. Actually, it is not decentralization. We are going for more centralization. Okay. Blockchain is not decentralization, it's more centralization. Because whole world is going to be use one single coin. That means what? That means the whole globe is village. And why do we need borders? Why do we need to fight each other? Man, it's simple stupidity. I can't understand why people do that, even if people are really respected. I know. Hmm. But still, with all respect, all due respect. Anyway, it's an very good implementation plan. Let's see how much we can get into this. Less than 3% error margin versus official figures based on OECD trials. The system would be governed by a consortium of central banks, statistical agencies, and international organizations under UN oversight. Yeah, it's easy. Why not do this? If that makes people a better place in this world, why not? So, okay, that's all for now. Please, okay, it is actually deployment stack. It's Apache, NiFi, DeFi, blockchain, oracles, computation, federated learning across AWS, GCP. We don't need this. We don't need AWS, GCP. Actually, DNA based computing. Okay, first we need to do DNA based computing, then we need to do all these things. Okay, okay, and now I want to run. There are something actually. Copy DeepSeek plus search. There are lots of works actually. Globally, DeepSeek plus search. Okay, how much recent world has advanced? So I am currently looking for recent developments. So if somebody is like as I can see in some news, some they have disabled web crawlers. Crawlers they have disabled. So this should not be done actually. This is actually very bad. Web is open for information and this should be open anyway. Hmm. We need to work on those information. Okay, people can choose to pay. Obviously they have done something, they obviously need to get some payment, so we need to add some payment on them. No issues. Okay, we can mobilize the blockchains or bitcoins, crypto coins by paying with crypto, and ubi we can obviously do ubi with them actually. Even in this case, do you think search actually failing, they are actually failing. Probably I need to go for Manus AI then on DNA based computing environment. It's actually got hanged. So can I try with this Google thing, Gemini thing? Let's see. They are going to spit some nonsense, but I think I should let them try once. Okay, everybody should try. After that, I am going to do research on. Okay, first run. I am running it first, so it will be going to give some daily tokens kind of things. So daily tokens are there. Probably after some time, this also may going to get hang. Okay, it's 2.5 flash. I am working on. I need to try with Pro again. I am going to try with Pro. I am going to try with Claude probably also. Let's see. Uh, it is actually researching on websites. It is not getting actually. Step by step it is not getting. Stack by stack implementation, step by step development of newer language. It is not getting. Yeah, I need to make them get actually. I need to teach this AI how the prompt chaining. The prompt chaining I need to do this on this AI actually. It may do whatever research, but I think it is not getting properly what I am expecting. Okay, it is not it is not doing the same thing I had expecting. Anyway, I need to guide it little bit. Uh, you can see I have full network, but this query fails to run repeatedly. I have done twice. I may go to Manus. Uh, okay, may I stop my view or what? Okay, let's see. Uh, uh, Agent preference. So Manus has created some two specialized modes for all Manus paid subscribers. Choose business speed mode for rapid results or quality mode for deeper analysis, which is based on your needs. Got it. You can see all the updates. They have really updating their things really fast, and they are doing really great, really good. It's not like laggard actually. Frankly speaking, currently US seems 20 years behind than China. Uh, I'm not exaggerating it, but there are some things. Actually, I feel as per my personal opinion. Okay, okay, I'm doing these things on next. প্লিজ সাবস্ক্রাইব করো, তাহলে বুঝতে পারবে আরো অনেক কিছু। আমি আরো অনেক কিছু বোঝাবো এখানে। বাংলাতে বললে বাংলাতেও বলবো। ইউ ক্যান কমেন্ট অন দিস থিং। কমেন্ট করো, যা যেরকম চাইবে সেরকম।